Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, we will learn about expression with bracket. Bracket is not too difficult, but I think I have to introduce about this for you when you want to move to another level in math. So what is the bracket? Bracket is something like this. You have open bracket and close bracket. And when you got expression like 1 times x plus 3 like this, you will take 1 multiply with this bracket. So you can see now we have a number in outside the bracket and you got expression inside the bracket. The expression inside a bracket is so easy for you right now, right? X plus 3 is doesn't matter, and the one outside, so what does that mean? So when you got one number outside the bracket and you got two number inside bracket, something like this, you got a multiply open bracket b plus c, and you want to expand this. What does it mean expand? It means you will break, or you mean cancel, or you will destroy the bracket. So how can you expand that? This expression you will take two multiplication. The first one you will take a multiply b, and the second one you got a times c. So the result will give you a times b like this, and then you got a times c like this. Yeah, okay. So after you expand bracket, you can see now we have no bracket anymore. You just have a times b and a times c. So some of my students have answer like this. So this is not right answer because you just take a multiply b. You forgot take a times c. So that's why you got only c in the second term in this expression. So this is not right answer. So the right answer have to be a times c like this. Okay, another example. You can take 3 times 4 times 5, 4 plus 5, sorry. 3 times open bracket 4 plus 5. So after this one, you will take 3 times 4, and then you take 3 times 5. And the result will give you 12 plus 15, and the final answer is 27. This is a normal way how can you take calculation. And apply this one to expression, you will have 4 times x plus 3. So how can you work with this one? You take 4 times x, and then you take 4 times 3. After that, you got 4 times x plus 12. And this is new bracket, this is new expression. Original expression is 4 times open bracket x plus 3. So you have, this is the, after expand, you got this expression 4x plus 12. Okay, so let's start with first 4. Okay, so how can you work with these 4 examples? The first thing, you will take the number outside bracket and you will multiply with x term inside the bracket. Inside bracket you got x plus 4, it means you got 2 terms. And you want to take 5 times x first, and then plus 5 times 4. So after that, you will simplify this expression. You got 5 times x like this, and plus 20. Okay, so you can write down dot between 5 and x present for multiplication, but sometimes you don't need to write down dot anymore. Just 5x like this and plus 20. So a little shorter, but easy for understanding. Okay. Question 2, you got 6 outside, 4 plus x inside the bracket. And you take 4 times 6 like this, and then 6 times x like this. 4 times x you got 24, and 6x you can write down 6x like this without dot. Yeah, it's still present for multiplication and you don't need to write down dot. Okay. Question 3, you got 8 times x, and then you got 8 times 5, 8.5. So 8x like this, and this is 40, and you can write out another way, 8x like this, and 4x 40 here. Okay, and the last one you got 9 times 9 plus with 9 times x. So what is 9 times 9? 81, right? And 9 times x, you got 9 here and x here. Okay, that is not difficult, right? Another, for example, you got 5, 6, 7, and 8. And step by step, you will do it by yourself first, and then you play this video and watch your answer. You can see now you got 4 outside the bracket. Inside the bracket, you got x plus 3. So you will have 4 times x. In the first term and the second term, you got 4 times 3. And 4x you can write out like this only, and 4 times 3 you got 12. Final answer for question 5. Question 6, you got 7 times x like this, and 7 times 9 in here, and then you got 7 times x, but I won't write out dot anymore. And how about this? 63. Yeah. How about this one? 5 times x. Oh, this is a little problem. You got minus here. So in two previous exercise, you have plus because inside the bracket you will have x plus 3. So inside this bracket you got x minus 3. So that's why you will take minus in this one, and 5 times 3. This is not plus or positive anymore because inside bracket you got x minus 3. X minus 3 is mean x negative 3. So that's why you have to put minus sign or subtract or negative sign in this position. Okay, so 5 times x minus 15. Yeah, you have the final answer for question 7. Question 8, you got 7 times x, and yes, it is minus 7 times 7. You got 7x and minus 49. You got minus 49. Yes, okay. And this is a little bit new for question 7 and question 8 because inside the bracket you have negative or you got subtraction. So it won't be affect to outside the bracket. The outside bracket, when you want to expand this bracket, it have to be subtraction. It's not plus. That's like question 5 or question 6 anymore. It have to become to subtraction. Yeah, okay. So that is the way how can you expand bracket with addition and subtraction, and I hope this one is not too difficult for you, and in the next video you will work with bracket with higher level. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.